I usually try to take notice of who's on the floor and whether they look like they belong there. Just a good idea for security reasons. So I noticed her right away. I didn't recognize her, but she was speaking very intently to Bridget and Cam, and I had my suspicions about who she was. She didn't seem to be wearing an employee ID badge or a visitor badge. We've really tightened our security in recent years, and even visitors have to have a badge, and not many get this far without one. Oh, it can happen, but it's pretty rare. I was almost sure she was a union organizer, not an employee. The policy says not